Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be drawing a snowman with a boy. So, we will draw and this is how it will look after coloring. But in coloring, you have your own choice. So, let's get started. First, I'm making a snowman. So, for his face, I'm making a circle, a line on top, and we will make a few more lines to give it a look of a hat. You can erase the extra line, and afterwards I'm making two eyes which I am coloring black, and a nose which is a carrot. The smile. Now, I'm making another big snowball, and here I'm making its muffler. So, in the muffler, you can make any type of design you like. I have chosen a simple line pattern, and at the bottom I'm making semicircles. And next I'm making a big snowball. And here I'm making 4 buttons. Its hands, which are supposed to be colored brown because they are wooden sticks. And next we are going to make a boy sitting next to it. We'll make an oval shape for the face, and we'll make ear muffs and a cap in this manner. We are going to make 2 curves for eyebrows, leaf or almond shape for eyes. We'll make an L shape for the nose and 2 curves for the lips. Next we are going to make a neck and then its body. So 2 hands, one around the snowman and the other hand on the floor. You can show it on the floor, or you can just show it normally that his hand is beside him. He's not doing with anything with the other hand. We'll make 2 lines from the points to make a sweater, and 2 long U's to make his legs. So we are showing that he is standing on his knees, and we are going to make a zigzag pattern for the sweater. Now around I'm making these curved lines to show snow. You can make some snowballs. And I am making a type of shovel, and at the back I am showing that there is a lot of snow. So it's a type of raised platform. You can make more of these lines to show more snow, and here I'm making snowflakes. Our snowflakes mainly consists of triangles. We are going to make one more snowflake, and after we are done, I'm going to make mountains. They are like, we'll make them like triangles but curved on top, and this type of shape to show that there is snow, icing. And our drawing is done. This is what it looks like after coloring. We couldn't show the coloring part But here is an idea of how you can color. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.